In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a PayPal gift card. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you've never done this before, you'll be able to follow along easily on your own computer or phone. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type PayPal gift card and hit enter. This is the quickest way to get to the official PayPal gift card page without having to remember the exact web address. On the search results page, look for the result that says something like Buy e-gift cards online, PayPal digital gift cards. This should be from the official PayPal website. Click on that link. It's important to make sure you're on the real PayPal site, so double check that the web address starts with PayPal.com before you continue. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of gift cards from different brands and stores. Take a moment to browse through the options and find the gift card you want to buy. When you see the one you like, click on it to open the detailed page for that specific card. On the gift card page, you'll be asked to choose the denomination or amount you want. This is the value that will be loaded onto the card. Click on the amount that best fits your budget or what you plan to spend. Some cards offer preset amounts, while others may let you type in a custom amount within a certain range. Next, you'll usually see an option asking who the gift card is for. Select the option indicating whether this is a gift for someone else or for yourself. If it's for someone else, you may need to add their name and email address so PayPal can deliver the digital gift card directly to them. If it's for you, the card will typically be sent to your own email. After you've chosen the amount and who it's for, click on Add to Cart. This adds the gift card to your PayPal shopping cart, just like on any online store. Once it's added, look for the checkout button and click it to move on. On the checkout page, review your order details carefully: the brand, the amount, and the recipient information. When everything looks correct, click on Buy Now. PayPal will then process your payment, and your digital gift card will be sent to the email address